Welcome. In front of me I have Cubot X20, and today I'll show you how you can enable or disable Google Feed in this smartphone. So when you normally set up your device and then swipe on the right, you'll find the Google Feed. If you want to get rid of that, you have to go back to the home screen, click and hold it, tap on the home settings, and right now we have to find this option called Show Google App. So when you enable the switcher or disable, take a look. Right now when you swipe, we easily get rid of that option. And you can also activate and it will be available. So as you can see, that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.